This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening, everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain that whenever you take my SAP MM content, I'm giving that the entire complete details of the content and what are the content you have to go through initially, and then what are the content you have to read. For example, if you take the first course content, then real time, then discussions, like how the sequence need to be followed, that I'm going to explain. The same sentence what I sent as a last email, the same thing I will show by showing the each content. When you see the last email, the first I mentioned, like go through the course content 01 to 07 and then 09. Okay, what is the 0107 means? For example, if you see the content, okay, if you see the content, we can see the complete content of details 01 to 07. Okay, organization structure to till procurement types. So these content we need to go through. After that, you have to go through the discussion videos which are available in this YouTube playlist. If you go through this link, you will find the different discussions videos related to SAP MM. After that, you need to download the templates. Templates from the sample documents folder. After that, you need to go through the no download access related Q&A sessions. Okay, now let me go through the where exactly you can find it. Whenever you get a Google Drive, you would have got these three folders mainly. One is SAP MM videos. These MM videos will contain the 01, 2, 4, and 6. These are downloadable videos. And then you will receive one more folder that contains 03, 5, 7, 8, and 9. So overall, these two folders contain the 01 to 09. So in this 01 to 09, what I mentioned in the content, first you go through 01 to 07 and 09. Why 08 was not mentioned? Because 08 were like miscellaneous videos. Those are not completely relevant to like SAP MM and all. It's a functional. Any functional consultant need to know those data. For example, some miscellaneous like even MM also, batch management, split valuation. Once you get enough command on these processes, and then you have to go to 08. That's why as part of the first preparation, I mentioned 01 to 07, then 09 MMWM integration. After that, you need to go through the discussion videos. These discussions videos will contain in this playlist. If you go through this link, you will find the different kind of discussions videos you can go through and you can prepare it. After that, you have to download all the templates mentioned in this. Now you go to the real time. The real time folder contains the data related to the projects and the sample templates and what kind of blueprint, or how the blueprint looks like, and what is function specification and the interview questions and the test scripts. A lot of real-time related data is available in this folder. Once you go through this folder, you can see the multiple data. Let me explain that. So this is the SAP MM discussions. There are some few folders are available, few documents, and the videos are available in this YouTube link. Okay, that we already mentioned. And SAP MM books contains a certain kind of a PDF books and some documents, configuration documents, everything was available here. And if you go through the another important one, this is the one what I mentioned here, the sample templates and documents, the point number 3. So the point number 3, the sample templates here are available here. You can see this folder contains the sample blueprint document. This folder contains sample function specifications, and the remaining you will find it interview questions. For example, this is interview questions, this is sample resume. Okay, and you will see some customized development screens. How does it look like? And different templates which we use in the projects like OpenPO, stock upload. Okay, how the solution manager screens look like. Entire very valuable information which you don't get generally in any YouTube channels or any kind of a content. So the entire content is available in this folder, so that you need to download all the templates because I'm giving you the download access. So you have to download all the templates and keep it with you. Then SAP MM Q&A no download access folder videos to clear your queries. After that, you have to go to this folder. This folder contains the different kind of complete real-time related data, like real-time 01, 02, 03. If you see the project preparation, organization, sorry, blueprint, realization, entire pages will be available in this folder. Okay. After that, you can go through this SAP MM Q&A no download access. This is what I mentioned here. Then you have to go to point number 4, SAP MM Q&A no download access folder. Okay. So the point number 3, you have to go through these two, and point number 4, you need to go through Q&A no download access related doubt sessions. These doubt sessions these are different from the SAP MM discussions related one, because SAP MM discussions mainly focus on the subject, my material master, info record, purchasing, such kind of topics. But these doubt sessions are more likely about the real-time projects, and how to prepare for the interviews, and what kind of real-time phases happen, and any kind of doubts related to the real-time, all are captured and put in this folder, so that this folder needs to be used to watch real-time related discussions videos. Okay, then interview questions and support issues in sample documents. Yes, in the sample documents already you have real-time questions, sample support issues, so that you need to go through those. Finally, SAP MM mock interview videos. If you go through the SAP MM mock interview videos, it contains the different kind of mock interviews which I conduct to the people. So all those mock interview videos are available here. What is the benefit of these videos? If you watch the videos and what kind of questions I have been asking to the people, and how the people are answering to the questions, and you will understand that how to answer certain questions, and how confident you need to explain, and what is the better way to explain the answers to the respective questions. Those things you can definitely learn here. Finally, 08. Okay, so the 08, why did I keep at the last? Because like I mentioned, in the miscellaneous you will have a batch management, split valuation, vendor subrange, these kind of a special videos which can be prepared at the later stage once you get enough command on entire SAP MM and real-time objects. So overall, once you get the command, you can go through the miscellaneous topics. This is the sequence you need to follow, and I have shown you that which folder contains what data, and these two links are provided only for once you have a very good command, and then you wanted to know certain kind of real-time scenarios and any issues. If you want to go through some more questions and some more data which is not available in my content, so if you want to explore some more data, then you can go through this SAP wiki links. These links contain the topics, some scenarios which are published by the different consultants across the world, so that you can go through these two links to understand the same. Okay, so overall data which is mentioned in this last email, generally the people who take videos, I send this email as a last, so you can follow these three folders. Okay, these three folders contain every data. Okay, so you can go through that. This MM certification materials, the IDOC documents, GST related documents, these are all certain documents which I collected and I just put it. It can be helpful for the people. So mostly the explanation related to the content is SAP MM videos and no download. These two folders contains 01 to 09 entire setup of videos. And when you go to the real time, the key things which you have to understand is sample templates, real time no download. It's here the actual real time projects and how the different phases happen, those things are explained. And then mock interview videos and Q&A sessions. These Q&A sessions are not downloadable, and you will get the knowledge related to the SAP MM real time. Okay, so whenever you see the last email and check this video, so that which data is available in which folder, you can easily access, and you can go through the each content to enhance your skills and to apply in the interviews and your regular job. I hope this video will be helpful for you to find out the each content without missing, because I get some emails from the people, although the sample resume and interview questions are available in this folder, they again sent an email and I cannot find the profile and all. When I send the screenshot of with the highlighted data, then they will say that yes, I found it. So the people in the searching also, they're not properly searching. And okay, I also felt like, okay, let's make a small video which can give an overview about the content which is available in the Google Drive. So based on this video, the people can go through and they can find out the exact document, and based on the sequence which is mentioned in the last email. Okay, thanks for watching. And whenever you feel that some content is not available compared to sending email to me, you can go through this video and find out the exact document and the video based on the folder name and the content which is available. Thanks again for watching the video. Keep learning, and you always share my YouTube video links with your circle, and follow YouTube so that I'm always uploading new videos in the YouTube channel. So that will be helpful for you. Thanks again. Have a good evening.